Hello everyone, welcome back. For today's video, we're going to make fish tempura. We have here 1/2 kilo of our salmon belly cut it into strips, and then we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. Pwede nyo din po itong lagyan ng seasoning granules para sa dagdag taste, and then give them a good squeeze po ng half lemon and then set it aside. And now, for the batter, mag-prepare lang po tayo ng 3/4 cup ng ating flour, 1/4 cup ng cornstarch, 1 cup of cold sparkling water, at saka 2 eggs. And then, just mix all the ingredients until they are fully incorporated. And now, let's pour our egg into our flour and whisk them to combine. So, ayan, magdadagdag lang po ako ng kaunting salt dito. So, depende po yan sa inyo. Dahil yung iba naman po ay dinadaan na lang din po sa masarap na sauce. Ayan, so this is the consistency that we want. So, let's prepare na po para po sa ating frying. Okay, so let's heat an oil in a pan over medium to high heat. Habang nag-iantay po tayo sa ating mantika na uminit, let's dump in our salmon belly sa ating batter. And now, it's time to deep frying. So, ilagay na po natin yung ating coated na salmon belly. Yan. So, deep fry po natin for about 2 to 3 minutes until po na mag-crisp at saka maging golden brown. Alright, so luto na po yung kabilang side. It's time to flip it over. Yan. Baliktarin na po natin para maluto naman po yung kabilang side niya. Oh, as you see, diba? It's so crispy na. I'm really sure that your family will gonna love it. So ngayon, it's time to lower down the heat para hindi po ganong masunog yung ating tempura. Ayan. So pwede nyo pong stay po muna siguro mga about 30 seconds. And then pag naluto na, drain it in a paper towel. Ayan, so this one is for the second batch. You can reheat an oil po between batches if necessary. At this time, may gagawa na po tayo ng ating dipping sauce. So we have here 2 spoonfuls of our Kikkoman soy sauce. Meron din po tayong sesame oil. So we need 1 spoonful of our sesame oil. And then 2 tablespoons of our brown sugar. 1 spoon of our vinegar. Tapos, kailangan din po natin ng half a teaspoon of our chili garlic sauce. Tapos, 1/4 spoon lang po ng ating garlic flakes. And then, we're gonna mix everything together. love this recipe. And please don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. It's me again, Lord Hermosilian, na nagsasabing ang mga bagay-bagay ay napag-aaraling yan. Basta magtiyaga ka lang. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye!